Hello, 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 my food-loving friends, and welcome back to Cooking at Pan's Kitchen. If you are new here, welcome. I'm so happy you took the time out to come and watch us cook. So, today we're learning how to peel a watermelon, and how to choose the right watermelon. Watermelon is in season, and you know how much we love the juicy fruit. So, like, subscribe, and share this video because Matthew's about to teach us how. Let's go.
All right. So in the summertime, when the watermelon is in season, when it comes to choosing the correct watermelon, you want to look for the yellow field spot. The yellow field spot, because that means it's been growing for the correct amount of time and it's developed the flavor that you're looking for, the sweetness. Then when you cut it, show you the appropriate way now. Cut both the ends. And then you start going all around.
So tell me, my food-loving friends, can you peel a watermelon like this? Sure you can. So thank you for watching, and please subscribe, like, and share. Until next time, bye-bye.